Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick penny stock day trade that I'm currently in a position for with ticker CDIX. So my scanner's kicked off right down here, and I got in with 100,000 shares. It was a lot slower. It's kind of a little bit hard to actually get in at this point because it actually took forever to fill. And so I started getting right here, and then when it took this dip over here, it actually ended up filling the rest for me. And I honestly thought that I made a mistake. Now, this thing actually has low volume overall for the day, and so what I'm going to have to do is, even though I'm currently up $120 profit at this point, I'm gonna have to sell this off in probably 2 different lots of 50,000, just so I don't create a massive wall and have it drop on me. So, how is it that I find these stocks to trade? Well, if you've started taking my free stock trading course, which is in my playlist section, I have 2 different styles for it. It teaches you how to do everything. Now, like I said in my video yesterday, I highly don't recommend you skipping ahead because there's a lot of key information that you'll skip over and miss out on if you do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to sell this one off over the next probably 5-10 minutes, since it's now starting to take a dip, and hopefully I can get out without shaking this stock too much. So, well, heck, it actually just went up a little bit. So, well, anyways, I'm gonna see about getting out of this and walk away with my profits for the day. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.